Good evening, students from 7th and 8th grade. This video will be uploaded in about 1 hour into the platform, to the San Jose platform. And it's one video for 7th and 8th grade, okay? So this video goes for you both grades, okay? It's a pleasure to be here, to be with you again through this flip class, okay? Digital class, 50% the teacher, 50% the student. How have you been doing, guys? How have you doing? How have you been doing? That's the phrase. I have been reading your emails and reading your paperwork, watching your photos, your evidence, and I really appreciate that you're making a huge and strong effort to fulfill your needs in English. Okay, so let's start. For today, it's the creation and the creation or construction of an essay. Okay, but it's an argumentative essay. Okay, argumentative essay. This is a writing class. Argumentative essay. Okay, but how do we write an essay? The first thing that you have to take in consideration, students, is that we have to develop a thesis statement. What is a thesis statement? Thesis, mister? Thesis is just for college dudes. No. Let's get into the thesis. Thesis, it's like your argument based on a topic. It's something that you grab, that you take from our environment, things that surround you, and you put it into your mind and you start developing your ideas using your own vocabulary. Okay, one of the things that essays do not accept are copy paste things. Don't do that, because that is a dishonest way of writing. So I hope you don't copy and paste essays, because I'll know if you copy and paste, because I know how far can you go into your writing condition. Okay, so that's the first topic is constructive thesis. How do I construct a thesis? For example, what is everybody talking about nowadays? Coronavirus here, coronavirus in here, so coronavirus. If I take the topic coronavirus, let me construct a thesis based on coronavirus. For example, coronavirus origin, okay? Where did the coronavirus take place, okay? Another myth or reality: coronavirus comes from animals, or it's a virus created by a laboratory, a lab, okay? Those are topics. This is just an example. I'm not saying that your essay has to be based on coronavirus. If you want, it's okay, but search into your mind, search into the web, and find a topic. And I think that probably 7th grade students and some of the 8th grade students, they will choose BTS. Okay, that's good. Which are your arguments to construct an essay? Okay, remember, you have to construct a thesis based on a solid idea. Number 2 is link the points in your argument. It means that every paragraph, it's connected with each other. Okay, if you start writing paragraph number 1, the introduction, then you go with paragraph number 1 and number 2, they have to have a connection. They need to be linked. Okay, link. I'm not saying that you have to use, for example, coronavirus, its origin was in China, Wuhan city, and then the next paragraph, but China has many traditional activities. No sense, no coherence. So paragraph number 1 with paragraph number 2, they do not have connection. Okay, in other words, they do not have a link situation. Number three, Include evidence, okay? Include evidence, students. You have to include evidence, okay? You may write, you may put, you may paste some photos or some opinions, okay? Number 4, create a strong conclusion. Create a strong conclusion. What is the conclusion? It's the ending spot, the ending part of your essay, okay? The structure of the essay, it's the same as the paperwork, okay? Essay number 1, your initials, the rubric, okay? And then you go straight to your white page. It's a complete page, students, complete page. You have to send it to my email so I can read it, okay? What else? There are 5 parts that we can use in the essay. The first one is the introduction, okay? The introduction has to be strong. You need a hook to cut readers' attention. Otherwise, students, you'll fail in the way that you pretend to write your essay, okay? Number 2, you need 3 body paragraphs. I mean, paragraph number 1, paragraph number 2, and paragraph number 3. In this paragraph, you need to develop your idea, okay, based on your topic, okay? And once you have that, you go straight to the solutions, to the conclusion, okay? Students should also use transitional words and phrases like in other words, on the contrary, therefore, nevertheless, okay, in your paragraphs. So this essay, argumentative essay, students, it's for next Monday. Not for tomorrow, not for Friday, next Monday, okay? Guys, I really miss you. I really miss the way that we interact in the class. I really miss the way that you laugh because of my jokes. I'm not a clown. I sometimes work like a clown, but I really miss you, students. Stay safe. You're in my prayers. And remember that you are San Jose students and you need to respect teachers. You need to respect authorities. You need to respect parents, okay? We miss you a lot, students, okay? Take care. Blessings.